Alright everyone, so this is my 1989 Mercedes 300E. So I picked it up on Craigslist not too long ago, and I was having issues with it sputtering and then stalling sort of randomly. I would start it back up and it would run fine, and then it would eventually stall again. And so I've spent about a month diagnosing the issue because the previous owner said that he replaced both of the fuel pumps. This car has 2 fuel pumps. Took it to the mechanic, and he said one of the fuel pumps was the high pressure fuel pump. The fuel pumps are over here if you don't know. Right there. So the mechanic said that the high pressure fuel pump was drawing twice as much current as it should. So I replaced that one. Didn't fix anything. I replaced all the ignition wires, the cap and rotor, the spark plugs, this over voltage protection relay, which apparently goes bad easily on these cars. I replaced all the gas in it. Nothing fixed it. So finally tonight I changed the low pressure pump. Both of the pumps are the same, but one acts as a low pressure pump and one as a high pressure pump. I replaced the low pressure pump with the old pump that I took out, and now the car runs wonderfully. So if you're having issues with this car or other cars with a sputtering and stalling issue, especially if it's intermittent, don't trust your mechanic, don't trust the person that sold you the car, and try out the fuel pumps. The one thing that I did to diagnose it, a really good way to diagnose it, is to start the car, run it if it can. If it can't, just try to. And while you're trying to, take a hammer and tap on the fuel pump or fuel pumps, and that might get it working again momentarily. So if tapping on the fuel pumps with a hammer, gently, if that changes anything, if that makes it run better or run worse, then that's likely the issue. Alright, hope this video helped.